Hey, this is Adrian with Workman Firearms. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the fire control unit in the P365. Now this is exactly the same when it comes to the P365XL and for the P365X Macro. Same exact way, same concept. I'm just going to be using the standard P365 to demonstrate on today. Now before we do that, we're going to clear our firearm, remove that source ammunition, then lock the slide to the rear. From here, physically and visually inspect your chamber, your magazine well. One last time, physically and visually inspect that chamber. Alright, firearm's clear. Now we're going to disassemble it by rotating your takedown lever to a 90-degree position, just like so. And then I'm going to press down on my slide lock and ride the slide forward. It's going to come right off. Now you can just set your slide aside, and we'll just save that for later. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take your punch rod and you remove this rear retaining pin. This is what's actually holding in the entire fire control unit into that frame of the firearm. You're going to punch that out. There's your retaining pin. Get a parts container, set it aside, make sure you don't lose it. And now, using your punch rod, you're going to put it between the fire control unit itself and the frame of the firearm and just slightly press up. And there you can see it's going to pop that fire control unit right up. Pretty simple. And then from here, you can just remove it. Comes right out. Very easy removal. And when it comes to installation, exact same concept. All you're going to do is just rotate the trigger end in first. Just like so. Make sure the takedown lever is in correct placement and it's still orientated into that 90-degree position, straight up and down. If you have it any other way, it's not going to go in properly. So make sure that's just facing down, and then you're going to rock it back into place. You're going to hear a click. This tells you the fire control unit is clicked into the frame of the firearm. And then I'm going to visually look right through the frame, make sure I can see through the frame, through the fire control unit, and out back through the frame again. Now I'm going to take my retaining pin. I'll start it with my fingers, pressing it back in, and then I'm going to take my punch and just finish. Make sure that I get a correct seal with it and proper placement in it. I'll check alignment, check both sides, make sure that one isn't protruding further than the other and that it's actually holding in that fire control unit. And then I would just grab my slide, line it up, put that slide back on. From here, I'm just going to lock my slide to the rear, engage my takedown lever, and send my slide forward. And now I'm going to perform a functions check. So I'm going to rack my slide once, press in the trigger, hold the trigger to the rear. You're going to rack the slide a second time, slowly release the trigger, listening for the reset. All right, and the firearm just passed the functions check. So now you know that we actually reassembled it properly, and the firearm is in working condition. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.